All right, so downloading CapCut is really easy. There's going to be download links in the description below for Android and iOS, but it's really easy. All you learn to do is just go into the App Store. We just type in App Store, search for CapCut, and that's the one that you want to open. It's a CapCut video editor. It's by ByteDance. Go ahead and download and open that. And that's it. It's really that simple. It's free. It's easy. What's the difference between the free and paid version of CapCut? If I had to start all over with my video editing journey, I would start at CapCut with the free version, and then as I got used to it, then I would just pay for the upgraded version. It's seriously one of the most economical video editing apps. It's so much more affordable than Premiere, and it has so many features in it, and it's intuitive to use, which is absolutely amazing. The main things that you get in the paid version that you don't in the free version are custom fonts, templates, transitions, effects, the ability to do some auto edits, some AI tools, but it's still a really great place to get started, and I'd say 80% of the stuff that you can do in the free version.